Hello, and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, I want to do a magnetic eyelash update. I have been wearing these magnetic lashes for about a week now, and I'm going in between the accents and then the full strip lashes, just kind of playing with both to see which ones I like better so I could give you a really good answer on whether these are worth it to buy or not. And there's one thing that I was wondering as I've been going through this, can I work out with them? So what did I have to do? I had to work out with them. So you're gonna have to stay and watch to see whether they passed or failed. So before we get to that, just make sure you hit that little subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's see how these magnetic lashes did when I put them to the workout test. Okay, I'm about to work out. I put on the little accent lashes. I wanna see if they stay on while I work out, so let's take a look after. Okay, 2 rounds in, are they still on? They're still on. After 4 stations. After station 5. I can kind of feel them now. I don't know why, but I can. All done. They stayed on pretty good. Well, that was totally successful. My eyelashes stayed on the entire workout, which is really, really cool. And I actually thought no one would really notice, but I actually got quite a few compliments. Like as I got there and as I was leaving, I was kind of like attacked, but like in a good way. So when I got there, I always use the restroom right before I go work out because usually I've drinking my lemon water with cayenne pepper and I've drinking my pre-workout on the way to boot camp. So usually I have to pee really, really bad by the time I get there. So I was standing by the door and one of the girls walked by me and she's like, ooh, she's like, you're looking more like beautiful than normal this morning. Where are you going after? And I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. And so I was like, I'm testing out like magnetic lashes. And so I definitely know it's the lashes because I do my workout makeup every day. And yes, it does, you know, help make you look more awake and just a little more put together when you work out. But yeah, lashes. Add glam. Lashes are the best. I put on the lashes earlier this morning because I normally don't wear mascara when I work out. So I put on the lashes and I was driving with them. I just didn't like that I could see where they started because I just have such light blonde eyelashes. So I remedied that problem when I got to boot camp and I took off the lashes and I added a little bit of mascara and then I added back on the lashes. So that way it was just like a seamless blend of lash. I also think, like I've mentioned in the previous class on these magnetic lashes, that adding mascara gives something for the lashes to hold on to. So I really think that that's helpful and maybe what helped them stay on during the workout as well. And so I'm now actually gonna go run a few errands. So I have my lashes already done pretty much, but I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara just to the bottom lashes just to really open up the eye. See, that's just wonderful. And now I'm ready to go do errands. No one's gonna know that I just had like a really, really sweaty workout. No one's gonna know. And that's what I'm going for. So this is the 5th day in a row that I have worked out wearing the accent magnetic lashes and they have gone nowhere. They don't even come close to falling off and I work out really, really, really hard and I don't even feel them whatsoever. Now I know the first day I wore them, I mentioned that I could feel them like a little bit on the outsides after like the 4th round of what I was doing. But since then, I haven't noticed them whatsoever. Like, they're just there. I'm able to wear them all day until I get home and I don't have to adjust them. I run my errands in them after working out. It's pretty crazy and I'm pretty impressed with these. And it's kind of exciting because a couple of the ladies that I work out with actually came up to me and noticed my lashes and they were like, oh, did you get extensions? And I was like, no, I did not. I'm actually testing out magnetic lashes and I wanted to see if they would stay on while working out. And so of course that just like added more questions. So I told them I just made a class on magnetic lashes if they want to see how they work and how I liked them and how it was using them for the first time. And I kind of suggested to them that the accents were a lot easier to use if they wanted to try them. And guess what? When I came back like a couple days later, they came up to me and were like, oh my gosh, I got them. One girl even showed me a picture of herself with the lashes on. She was like worried they were like a little too big. She's like, I don't know, should I trim them? And I saw the picture and I was like, no, those look gorgeous. So there's 3 girls total since I put out my magnetic lash class that are now wearing magnetic lashes. And there's a few more that are like, oh my gosh, I gotta go to the store and get some. So they are going to be getting them and I cannot wait to see what they look like. And so that's super, super fun and I just love helping people. So I love that I was able to help some of the ladies that I know and you hopefully be able to find a new fun way, easy way to enhance your makeup. And so these are my lashes after working out. And as you can see, they haven't moved or gone anywhere and they just look super natural. Like if you didn't know, you'd have no idea that I have them on. You'd maybe think maybe I have extensions, but at the same time, these don't look fake. Like these could be your actual lashes. A lot of people with lash extensions, like you can tell they're lash extensions. They look really good, but you can tell. These ones, you kind of have to wonder a lot because these could be your real lashes. So before when I'd go to work out, I just put workout makeup on, and I never really put mascara on because I didn't want it to like go everywhere. I would just like curl my lashes and maybe add mascara later when I'm touching up my workout makeup, but now I'm kind of obsessed. I kind of think I'm gonna be adding like a minute or two to my workout makeup routine so that I can add these bad boys because it just does so much. I love it. Can you believe that? These lashes were totally awesome for working out in. Like at first I wasn't sold, but you know what? After 5 days of it, let me tell you, I do not feel them whatsoever. I'm wearing them right now and I don't even really know that I have them on. They're great. So right now at this point in my magnetic lash experience, I would recommend the accents. The accents are the easiest to use. I think they will look good on every eye shape, whether you have small eyes or you have big eyes. I think they're just gonna look really pretty on everybody. And again, they're the easiest to use. So I guess I'll see you in the gym looking all fancy. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Did you guys see Sadie in the background chewing on her little bone? Sadie! Maybe she's outside. Oh, here she comes. Sadie! Hi! Sadie, can you say hi? Do you understand what's happening? Say hi, Sadie. Oh, what a good girl. Being such a good girl when I film. I love it. My little makeup dog. But for real, can you believe how big she's getting? Do you remember when I put out the video on Sadie, how tiny she was? Like, I'm not gonna be able to pick her up here pretty soon. You're so big. Kisses? Oh. Hey Sadie, are you hungry? I got your food. Are you hungry? Oh, she's hungry. Okay, come here. Come here. Get inside. Sit. Oh, good girl. There you go. There you go.